welcome back to my channel, my beautiful YouTube family. So I actually wasn't planning on filming today, and this is actually my second time filming this intro because I was trying to clear my SD card when I ran out of memory and I accidentally deleted my other intro. So here I am again. But like I said, I really wasn't planning on filming, so we're in for a little bit of a treat. I was minding my own business, working away, and I just looked around and realized how pitiful and disgusting my apartment was. It was just so dirty. I'm the type of person to clean as I go, but life sometimes just gets so busy that sometimes you think, oh, I'll take care of that later, I'll set this down here, and then over time everything just kind of accumulates into one big mess. So I decided to take some time out of my day to do a little bit of a home reset, home cleaning and organization video. So if you like my home videos, you're in for a treat. I personally love watching cleaning videos, so if you don't, feel free to put this on as like background noise, background video, or watch. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I have quite a few things on my list today. I have to do some laundry I have to put away, I have to clean the floors, do the dishes, clean out my refrigerator and pantry. So I have a lot on my list that I'm going to try to get done, and I just thought, why not take you guys with me, since my last video of me deep cleaning my apartment was such a hit. So we'll go ahead and kind of do the same thing today, and yeah, I'll take you guys with me. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start cleaning. We for sure always need to have music, and I'm gonna go with some Vampire Weekend just like last time. clean now. Took these out, sprayed every shelf down, and threw away all the bad and expired food, so it looks so much better and it smells so much better. Okay, so the kitchen is looking pretty solid. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Pretty clean. The only thing is I had to switch my office chair and work on this bar stool because this chair is broken and I completely fell on my ass the other day, so I need to get a new office chair. I have to thank my mom. She cleaned the patio when she came to visit, and I honestly didn't think it was that bad until I saw how dirty and stained my patio seats were when she cleaned them up. So I actually need to throw some water on this patio and scrub out all the dirt, but there were just piles and piles of leaves here. So like that, for example, needs to be cleaned, and I need to get new cushion seat covers because I think that's mold growing on there, which is pretty nasty. I'm not even gonna lie. My dresser is pretty clean. I dusted and wiped it down. All right, my friends, that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again in another video soon. Bye.